What is the safest method when turning right at crossroad? Rule 180. When turning right at crossroads, where an oncoming vehicle is also turning right, there is a choice of two methods: turn right side to right side, keep the other vehicle on your right and turn behind it. This is generally the safer method as you have a clear view of any approaching traffic when completing your turn left side to left side, turning in front of each other. This can block your view of oncoming vehicles, so take extra care. Cyclists and motorcyclists in particular may be hidden from your view. Road layout, markings, or how the other vehicle is positioned can determine which course should be taken. How danger when you do the left-to-left method. Traffic light change green now, already two vehicles waiting in the middle. Oncoming vehicle can't see clearly, the blue car tried to cut in front. Luckily I noticed that car and did hard brake to avoid collision. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends and family members. Drive safe, save life. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.